person. So nothing fancy, no paid endorsements or anything like that. So anyways, let's go ahead and check this out. So I have the Emart 600 watt photography umbrella continuous lighting kit. As you can see, nice little manual, kind of give you all the information about it, so we're not going to really worry about that. So let's dig into this thing. So you can see we have our umbrellas. We have 2 white ones and we have 2 black ones. They all have the reflective coating on the inside for bouncing your light off of. So these umbrellas are pretty good. They also come with 3 tripod stands, which are right here. Get this out. Very nice. See a little screw right there that allows it to pull out. There we go. There. Sorry, set this all up. I'm shooting this on my deck today. Kind of overcast, so natural light. And then I'm also using a ring light on one of my phones to give us a little bit extra light. So yeah, pretty nice. So let's keep going. We have these 3 little white boxes right here.